We're back using something out of the garden every day. Today's pick is lemongrass, leeks, and summer squash. For the lemongrass, I'm just going to go in and chop off one of the thicker stems. Mine's a baby plant, but it still has time to grow. The summer squash I picked 2 days ago. I'm going to take everything inside and I'm going to peel off the outer leaves of the lemongrass. I'm going to chop that up, also chop up some garlic and the squash. I'm going to add that to a pan that had the leeks cooking in butter, and then in the oven I also have some sweet potatoes roasting. When that's all done, I'm going to add an egg because I'm making breakfast here. Subscribe and come back tomorrow to see what we're using.